We are off to Wells Grey. Well, we're gonna go to McDonald's first because, you know, we're all starving.
It's gonna take a lot longer than I thought to get there. It's open at 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
But we're not gonna get there till like 10:30.
Probably.
The reason is, what time is it now? It takes another half an hour to get from here to Wells Grey.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Rather than Kamloops, so I wasn't thinking about that. I kind of was, but. So we're gonna go to triple level falls or quadruple flats falls or whatever it's called. Is that what we're gonna do, you guys? You ready?
That's it.
We're gonna have to do some like F9 stuff today.
F9?
Yeah.
What's that?
Fast and the Furious.
Fast and Furious?
You coming out of your butthole.
Cheese and chocolate.
Sorry guys, I have to hear that. Up on this rock? Hey? You thought it was poo? Okay, well anyhow. Got our family car here at the moment. But yeah, look at it. It's like a bunch of electric stations over here too, as you can see. I don't know. Who knows, will probably be here more popular in another like 10 years or whatever, so. Alright. Let's head back to the car. So we got half an hour to go till good old Wells Grey Park. It's kind of funny actually, last time I was here, we were going to Wells Grey Park again, or before, in the winter. That was fun, and I do have a vlog about that, but it's on YouTube somewhere, so. I don't know, guys. To mark this 10 years, probably be a lot more electric cars, no big gas cars. Pretty insane. Hold on, is Dad going to the bathroom? Alright. You got your juice box there? I think I remember you were a little kid when you were here last, right? You're a little baby actually. Yeah.
There's the viewpoint right over there, which will be it. And there's a little Maxon's face. Jackson, how do you like this trip? Is it fun? Here they are. Whoa.
Finally here.
Yeah. Oh, look how pretty it looks. Super far down as well. Okay, what do you want to say?
We made it. I'm parched. I'm pooped. And I just want to forget about this day.
How are you feeling, Jazz?
My nose is like frozen. Actually, no, I don't ever.
Cool.
I know.
Let's go catch up with Joel. Joel, what do you want to say about this? Nothing? Oh, it's so pretty.
Woohoo! Fast as you can go.
Oh no, it's Justice.
All right, race Justice.
Justice. Wait.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Look at that, guys. Nice. You gonna get a picture, Justice? It's hot! It's hot! Help! Oh no, okay. It is pretty hot, that's for sure. It's not that hot.
That is.
Oh, it's burning on the
Well, some.
The sun's staying on.
Yeah.
I dare you to go there and sit on it.
You got a picture of it, Justice? Good job.
That.
It's here now.
Alright.
Yeah, is it hot?
Get on there!
Grab onto the hangers.
Hey, grab onto that thing.
Yeah, there you go.
Spider
web.
Oh no! No!
It's coming.
Oh my gosh, she's just done for. Hey buddy, how big was that spider? see a spider?
Here. You wanna stand on top of it instead of...
You wanna stand on top of it? Here, jump on.
Jessica?
What's that?
You wanna
There's
try
a
standing on top
spider
of it?
living inside the moose.
There's a spider living inside the moose's ear? That's nice.
You wanna stand on top of it?
That is.
See.
Are you gonna see this way?
Come in. I can't make sure. Heading down. Holy, it is insane down here. Might as well die while we're at it. I didn't realize how steep it was.
It's steep because look at Jackson's butt.
Jackson's butt is so dirty. Oh. Tell me what happened with the car.
What happened with the car?
Yeah.
Well, we came to Spahat's turnoff to go to the falls, and there's too much snow.
Whoa, whoa.
So
Ah,
then
I got snow on my boots.
So then we had to, maybe I'll do it later.
Yeah.
Okay, give him to Jasmine.
Give him to Jasmine. You'll vlog? You want to? Sure. Might as well. Hey.
Oh, this is so fun. I remember going down here. Look at Jackson. Look at Jackson.
Where's the light stuff? That's cute.
It's so pretty. Are you okay, Justice? Come on, Joel.
We took Justice and Jackson here in their diapers and managed to take them all the way to the falls and back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So somehow,
Oh, we took a shortcut from up here. We're waiting for these guys to come down. But wow, it's definitely getting hot out, that's for sure. Well, I didn't go down that. Ugh. How is it, Justice? Jackson, you okay, bud? It's kind of trapped a little bit in there. What other trail? Oh yeah, that one's crazy. Oh yeah.
Just saying, we're going away from the falls now.
We are? Oh
Way
yeah.
down there, and the falls are way over there. So
Well, yeah, you're right.
if we want to go to the falls, we might have
Justice
to go
looks
another way.
tired already.
Oh, he's just starting it. So.
Yeah.
It's hot once he gets his head in the water in 3 minutes.
We beat them. Yeah. We're finally at the van. We're freezing cold. We have to get the keys. Joel, go run and get the keys. Oh, thanks. My legs. Whoa. And look at Dad. Look at him. Look how weird he looks. Justice is falling off his back. And Jackson is in his jacket.
okay, somebody get the keys, please. Keys.
Oh, Justice!
Happens. Insane. Look at Jackson. It's pretty crazy here. On the trail of death. Alright, we're good. Poison ivy.
Go ahead, Jackson.
Oh no, Jackson. Go Jackson! There it is. Yeah, I'm cold. Look at that. That's nuts. My goodness. What happened?
You're gonna stand up on there, ready?
Okay. Jimmy, you're gonna fall.
Yes. Okay. That's what I was gonna do, right?
Yeah,
Give her
okay.
the vlogging camera.
Okay, go for it.
No, give her the vlog.
Okay.
Don't drop the camera.
thing in the river or else I'll kill you.
Vlog.
I am.
We're here. Justice. Got dropped dead.
Hey, over here.
Alright.
For this one.
What do you think, Justice? Oh yeah. That's going across here. There goes Jackson. I think I missed it, but yep. I didn't see him go actually. Swimming over here a bit. There goes Justice. Yep, now it's time for Dad. Oh, Jackson. Oh no, he just totally.
Gotta learn the hard way.
Yep.
It's better here than it's a pretty. It's better here than in Mall or the Mush Bowl.
That's for sure. He's okay over there. Alright. It's cute actually. It's a cute. Wow, look at this, guys. Holy crap. Someone's gonna die down there.
Whoa!
I shouldn't say that right now, for those who hate heights, but...
I can't jump that high.
Well, just...
I can't
alright.
jump that high.
Pretty nice. What do you think, Jackson?
I see all of it.
It's a lot.
Yeah, but
What's going on down there?
I'm gonna go.
Biggest falls ever.
Water? Like,
What do you think? The falls?
It's a long way down.
Yep.
We're just looking at it.
You wanna
Probably
walk
get
down
like
there?
a...
How about I carry you down, Jackson?
And that's the side we have to...
Well, maybe
walk
you'll land in
to.
the water. Why don't we try?
Yeah. It's far, but it's nice.
Yeah, but you can
hike.
fly. Like if you open your wings and you put your shirt out, it'll be like a squirrel, and you can just sail down there.
Woo!
Mooney guy.
I would love to go down there and get my feet wet.
Watch out, 'cause the
It's
fence is gonna fall in.
insane down there. Where we are. What did you say to Joel, Justice?
COVID's going out of my body.
COVID's going out of your body? Oh, I see. We're not just going to the bathroom. We are at Dawson's Creek right now, which is interesting. And Jackson's changing, so that's nice.
You know that I've been out in the middle of here?
Really?
Like all lost right here? You can walk all
I think I was here before, actually. I was totally here before. This is like years ago I was here, but
along the bottom.
it was like dark, so I couldn't see much. But hey, remember how we like built a campfire here?
No, we never built a campfire.
Well, we
here.
built a campfire somewhere around here. Holy, it's insane. Look at this. Apparently we're gonna swim in this. We'll see what happens. But, these places crazy, you know? So many horseflies out here. It's insanity.
The bugs are as
Big as you guys.
big as that.
Get out of here.
These guys are battling off these horseflies. Look at how big
See
they
them.
are. They're massive. It's like,
They're
you got
insane.
any more, Jackie?
Especially that one on Joel.
They're nuts. There's one on me.